Hello, my name is Jill Mosier and I'm the Trauma Program Manager at William W. Backus Hospital. Today we're going to talk about motorcycle safety and the protective gear that you need to wear when you're riding your motorcycle. As an emergency room nurse for many years, I have seen several motorcycle crashes come in, and when the patients wear the protective gear, their injuries are significantly less than they would be if they were not wearing any gear at all. So some of the gear that we're going to talk about today is some of the leather and other abrasion-resistant fabrics that will protect you from road rash if the bike does go down. Any corrugated leathers and or materials that help you breathe within the gear will help keep you cool and or warm at the same time. Chaps or leather pants are warm and help prevent road rash and or extremity injuries. You can wear body armor that protects your elbows and or knees that actually slips into your abrasion-resistant fabrics very nicely, and it's all protected to the extremities of your knees and your arms and your elbows. Majority of your stores that do sell motorcycle equipment do know the right safe equipment to wear and will help you in any way to help make a safe ride for you. Let's talk a little bit about boots. They must have a thick tread. They're not for fashion. It's very important that you understand that. Oil-resistant soles will assist with traction and keeping your shoes on the pegs, as well as the stability for the ground. Boots can absorb some of the impact in protecting your ankles and your feet. They, as I said, they are not for fashion. The heels are not what's acceptable for riding safely. Helmets are a big deal. I know in the state of Connecticut we're not required to wear a helmet on the road, but I'm going to tell you it saves lives. Primary goal of a helmet is to protect the head and the brain during impact. Proper fitting is essential. The Department of Transportation approves all helmets, and if you actually go down and you need to replace your helmet you have motorcycle insurance, the motorcycle companies will, or the motorcycle insurance companies will replace your helmet at no cost. There are many different styles and types of motorcycle helmets. As long as they're DOT approved, they have some sort of safety mechanism in place for you. There's flip face, open face, full face, and anything that can protect your face and your head is actually great. Some facts about helmets that people tend to argue about is it does reduce the injury and or increase the rider's chance of surviving the crash. It does not contribute to neck injuries. It does not impair vision or hearing. When you're taking a motorcycle safety course, you are required to wear the proper gear. So why wouldn't you want to take that with you when you get on the motorcycle and ride safely to wherever you need to go? Studies show that wearing a proper helmet is 37% more effective in preventing fatal injuries to the rider. To the passengers, it's 41% more effective. Wearing gloves has a dual function. Of course, they're there for warmth. They're there for protection, but also to the grip of the handlebars and controls. Leather or fabric is great. Some general safety things. Automobile drivers are not expecting to see motorcycles on the road as much, so be prepared. Potholes are not repaired, so you're going to hit more potholes. Nighttime driving, you must wear reflector tape and or bright clothes. It's very essential so that people can see you. Remember, motorcycle safety classes are there for you to help and learn. Things that are absolute a no-no are sandals, shorts, t-shirts or tank tops, dark clothing with no reflector tape, and or an ill-fitting helmet or unsecured helmet. So in other words, wear your protective gear, have a safe, great ride. It's exhilarating and exhilarating. Thank you.